everyone, welcome back to Jabara. It's Barb, and today I have a real life mess kitchen and dining room clean with me. I'm just going to start here in the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, and then load it back up. I'm gonna play some music for y'all. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it gets you motivated.
If you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lacking everlasting ego.
So we're just about done with the dishes, and then we're going to go ahead and start wiping the counters down and all that fun stuff. I hope this is motivating y'all, and I hope y'all are enjoying it so far. I usually like to just play music in my videos. Sometimes I'll talk a lot, sometimes I won't. It just depends if I have a lot to tell y'all or if I just want y'all to chill and kind of relax and clean along with me and just listen to music. So anyway, we're almost done with this. Then we're going to wipe the counters and get all that stuff done.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You I'm falling behind. I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers.
So I'm just using my e-cloth to clean the counters off, and I will have that linked down below if you want to go check them out. With e-cloth, you just have to use water to activate it, and that's basically it, and it kills the bacteria and germs. So anyway, I'll have that link below if you want to go check it out. But we're almost done in here, and then we can move on to the living room. I hope y'all are enjoying this, and I hope y'all are enjoying the music as well. I a lot of times go on y'all's comments. If y'all like a song, I will be sure to play it a few times. I love the music that Epidemic Sound has. I know a lot of you don't have access to that, or you haven't went to check it out yet, but I love Epidemic Sound because they have really cool copyright free music that you can use. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up in here, guys, and we're just about getting done. This is a kind of short video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all did say that y'all wanted to see more videos a week from me, so I'm trying to do that. There just might not be as long of content with these videos, but I'll try my best to get more out to y'all. I really enjoy doing it, and I appreciate all y'all's love and support.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
So that's going to be about it for today's video, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the floors in here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it got you motivated. If you're interested in more cleaning motivation, then just go check out my channel. I have whole house clean with me's. I have really long clean with me's. I have cleaning marathons. So whatever you want is usually on my channel. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it got you motivated. As always, take care of each other. Love you guys. Bye.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.